In the morning, he don't want to leave. Get into these big arguments, he won't leave half the time. In the nighttime, I let him in here 1:30 last night. My time is 11 o'clock. He's supposed to be here, stay out. But I let him in there anyway. Then this morning, all over again. Every day I got to go through this argument to get him out of my house. I can't allow him to come over here and take over my house.
Salute, Goodbreads. Welcome to the Brutally Honest Goodbread channel. First things first, salute to all my sisters with sense, and salute to all my kings. How y'all feeling? And good morning, y'all. Don't forget to check out the products for any of y'all looking to keep the hair you already got or to grow some more. We got some good products down there. All right, y'all. So today's video is crazy. When I tell you, father backs out the shotgun on his son because his 40-year-old son refuses to leave. Keep in mind, guys, we watch these videos with a multiple perspectives. So we see things from the dad's point of view, and we see things from the, I want to say the son's point of view, but 40 years old, you ain't got no point of view, man. Let's get into it.
At what age should you move out of your parents' home? Some might say 18, 19, maybe even 25, but this guy would say never. A 40-year-old man refused to leave his parents' house or look for a job. One morning, when his father told him to get up for an 8 a.m. job search, he simply rolled over and went back to sleep. His father, pushed past his breaking point, became extremely frustrated and pulled out a shotgun.
Good morning.
Good morning. My name's Officer Price. I'm with the Savannah Police Department. Did you give us a call this morning?
No, my son did.
Oh, where is he?
Somewhere back there. I'm trying to get him out of my house. I have problems with him every day. So I try to make him leave 9 and let him come back at 6.
Okay.
No,
He gives me problems.
You want to come on out and talk with us,
yes,
sir?
ma'am. I live here. I was living
You don't
here.
live here?
I was living here for.
You mind if I talk to you inside?
Yeah.
Not you.
Yeah,
I want him to leave my house.
I'll come talk to you
I'm
inside.
tired of him.
Yeah. But what happened is he pulled out a shotgun on me this morning and started hitting me with it and telling me to leave, and I live here. Yeah. But I don't want him to get in no trouble or nothing. But he probably need to go get him some help or something, I don't want him to go to jail.
Every morning I set my phone to around 8 o'clock. Try to get him up. Try to get him to get up, take a bath, put on his clothes and leave.
Okay.
But then I got to argue with him every morning.
Okay.
I don't even have to fight him in this house. I'm just tired.
Yeah, no,
I can't.
get it.
In the night, he come in when he feel like. I told him to be in here before 11.
Okay.
He gives me a problem in the night. He came in at 1:30 this morning. I let him in.
Okay.
But I'm just tired.
All right.
But he probably just need to get him some help or.
No, your dad is not the one that need to get some help. Bro, you need to get up out your dad's house. You did the nerve of this dude, boy. The nerve. He needs some help.
About how many times did he hit you with the shotgun?
Probably about 3 or 4 times.
Okay, and where on your body did he hit you with it?
On my arms. On my arms, because I was telling him I was tired.
The son mentioned to the officer that he told his dad he was tired, but he never revealed the full truth. He didn't want to look for a job.
Morning at 9 o'clock, So I was telling him this morning I was tired. It still ain't even 9 o'clock,
Why would he hit you with a shotgun?
I don't know. I don't know. I try to make up with him and try to tell him, let's learn to live together and stuff.
For no reason at all, he hit you with a shotgun.
Yeah, telling me he was tired of me. He's ready for me to go. He wanted me to get out. I didn't do nothing. I know it doesn't make any sense. That's why I say he probably needs some help. I don't know if he's taking his medication or whatever.
Oh, I get it, absolutely.
I can't rest with him because he's on drugs.
Okay.
Off and on. If you check your record, you'll see.
Okay. So, in regards to him staying here, is that like a nightly thing? Like he's here every night, or?
Sometimes he's there every night. Sometimes he goes. Sometimes I lock him out for a night or two.
Okay.
He goes and he comes.
Okay. But it's not it's not consistent.
He disappears sometimes 2-3 days and come back.
Okay, but it's not consistent. Like he's not here every single night for a week straight. Like it's a couple days here, a couple days there.
Most of the time he'll stay here, and then he'll stay here about 3 or 4 days, and then
leave and then be gone for a couple days and then come back for 3 or 4 and then be gone again for like 2 or 3 or however many.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got to feel for the dad in this situation right here. You know what I mean? Although you're not 100% innocent, parents, y'all got to stop enabling these kids at 30. And I mean, at 30, you should have been on this type time. This man is 40 years old. You got to take some accountability for that, Dad. You got to take some accountability for that. I know we get lonely and we be wanting company, so we cripple our kids so that they could be that company that we need. But that ain't doing them no justice. That's not doing them on just. Why this 40-year-old boy ain't ready, set for life?
But I love him, and he loved me too. But you know, it can't be going that far like that because anything can happen sometimes. You know.
And you say he just hit you with it. Did he ever point it or present it at you?
Yeah, he pointed at me too. Yeah.
And at that point, did you feel like you were in fear of your life?
Kind of, sort of, but not really, because I know my daddy loved me. He probably was just trying to scare me a little bit, to hurry me up to leave or whatever, because he got an anger issue sometimes. You know?
Okay.
But I don't want him to get prosecuted or nothing like that. But we had to come to some kind of agreement where we can live together and we ain't got to be going through all that. Everybody.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you by chance?
I'll get it.
Yeah. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. And then you said your son's still here and he's in his bedroom?
Yeah, back there.
Okay, which one specifically? Just the one with the
No.
crack?
No. That's in there.
Okay. I'm gonna go talk to him real quick, see what. I have about a 20. Yeah.
This is like right there.
How's it going, man?
Good.
So my name's Chris. I'm an officer of the Savannah Police Department.
Right.
I'd like to talk to you. Sorry, that was kind of bright. I'll turn the red one on. In regards to what happened today.
Right. My younger brother didn't want to leave, and I guess he told him to get out, and he told him to get up and start getting ready to leave. So that was pretty much it.
Okay. How often does your brother stay here?
Almost every day, but he stays sometimes with his girlfriend.
Okay. So it's like off and on, like it's not like a permanent residence for him, like he's here like maybe 4 days out of the week and then gone a couple days and
Something like that.
Okay. So not like necessarily a permanent spot for him.
Right.
Okay. And then did you hear anything about a gun or anything like that?
No.
Okay. You didn't see anything or
No.
Okay. Alright, man. Do you have your ID on you by chance?
Dad, look like you doing it again, Dad. Look like you're gonna be enabling another one. I ain't know you had a whole nother son, another grown man living there with you. You got to lead by example, man. I know we love our kids and they ain't asked to be here. This is why we gotta make it our business as their parents to give them the way, show them the way. You know what I mean? Even if we don't know the way ourselves, we gotta figure it out with them. You know what I mean? But we can't just sit there and let them just grow up and just let them. No.
I don't know what to do. I was talking to my brother last night. I was saying that, sometimes, you go through stuff,
And have any of you all had anything to drink?
No.
Nothing today that
No,
could have
we just waking up. Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta get him
I done had to fight him in that all before.
Yeah.
Yeah. When he's high, that's when the problem comes.
Right. Okay. Just give us a few minutes here, okay?
Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble with that.
I got you. But claiming he never pointed it at him, he was kind of hesitant to tell me about it first. And then I asked him, I kind of didn't pressure him, but I'm like, did you point it at him? He's like, no, I didn't point it at him. I'm like, okay, so there was a shotgun involved. He's like, yeah, but didn't point it at him. I'm like, so would you say it was like used as like a scare tactic? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, just understand, I'm not trying to put words in your mouth, like,
Right.
But I can tell you're hesitant to tell me about it, but I'm just trying to figure out how it was involved or anything. But he's saying kind of what the brother said. He's essentially stays here 3-4 nights out of the week, and then is gone 2 or 3 nights, and kind of is couch surfing here. And Dad says he's like, I let him stay, and he's supposed to be out of here at a certain time to go do whatever he does, and he's like I said, a curfew for him at 11, and then like last night he came back at 1:30 and was causing me fucking issues, and so of that specific incident. So the dad for bringing out the gun, because
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you can get his side of the story.
Come on, sir. My name's Officer Clark. I'm just coming in to hear what your side is as far as what happened this morning.
Miss, I'm trying to get my son out of my house. He's just an harassment to me.
Okay.
He gets high half the time. He go, he come, and I got rules here. I told him plain to avoid trouble. Leave 9 o'clock in the morning. He can come back at 6 in the evening. And in the morning, he don't want to leave. Get into these big arguments. He won't leave half the time. In the nighttime, I let him in here 1:30 last night. My time is 11 o'clock. He's supposed to be here, stay out. But I let him in there anyway. Then this morning, all over again. Every day I got to go through this argument to get him out of my house. I can't allow him to come over here and take over my house. But I got rules.
Okay.
And I'm living in hell. I'm living in hell, living in this house
As far
with
as
him.
the argument this morning, was anything physical?
Yeah, I pushed him. I told him to leave. He wouldn't get up, so I pushed him.
Okay.
Okay.
So he wouldn't get up.
He got out the chair. Eventually he went back there
Yeah.
and said, I came and sit in here.
Yep.
But the thing is, I'm just tired.
Any threats to harm you though?
No.
Okay. Alright.
I have to be careful about fighting with him.
Yeah.
You see, my hip and stuff, I got that messed up fighting with him.
Yeah.
And so I try not to do none of that. And if I have to get it put out, then I call my son
Right.
out the room. But other than that, it's just argue back and
How did
forth.
he hit you with the shotgun again?
He just hit me a couple of times on the arm.
Like the stock?
Yeah.
The butt end of it?
No, the front of it. Yeah, just the front of the barrel. Yeah. But you know, we
Was
love
it
each other.
like?
Well,
Was it like? Was it intentional or was it like accidental? What?
It probably was accidental, you know.
Okay,
Probably
so-
was accidental, you know.
Was it like with the shotgun, like
Yeah.
cannon like this, and he went like that? Or was
No,
it,
but you know, just kind of like, you know, trying to be like, I guess, almost like push me or something. But you know, but it's just yeah.
He get any money, food stamps or whatever. When he come back, it's gone.
And what happened with the shotgun?
Well, I was trying to coax him to make him get up and move. That's all.
Okay, so what did you do with the shotgun?
Put it back up where I keep it.
No, in reference to him, like when y'all were in the altercation, what did you do with the shotgun towards him?
Push him.
With the shotgun?
I pushed him like that.
With the shotgun in your hand, you pushed him outward.
Yeah.
Alright, man. So, unfortunately, we have to take you to jail. It's not necessarily what we want to do, but you have to take the ride today. We can explain everything when we get in the car. If you're cool with us, we'll be as lenient as we can with you.
Huh?
I said we will be as lenient as we can with you, but we got to take the ride right now.
You gotta take me to jail?
Yeah.
Can I put on some clothes?
Yep.
And y'all have to take me to jail for this.
We do not have a choice. I'm sorry.
So,
I wish I had a choice in this, but I don't. As much as, I mean, none of us want to do this right now, but we're bound by our policy and by Georgia state law here. And unfortunately, this falls under domestic because it's a parent and kid in the state of Georgia. That's
what about if he drops the charges?
That's at a later point. That's fine. You know, that's up to him.
Okay.
That's up to him.
No. Get these keys. Can I take my phone?
Yep.
Yes,
You
sir.
take your phone.
property.
Take your phone, your license.
And one keys.
Keys you can take if you want.
How am I gonna be able to? Lock your daddy up, so be gone when I come back, please.
Okay.
I ain't locked you up.
Okay.
I love you. Oh, I told you probably didn't chill out.
The father was arrested on the spot and bonded out the next day. Who do you think was more in the wrong, the son or the father? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Damn, I hate to be the boy when that dad come back. But guys, let's take it to the comment section. Tell me, what you think gonna happen when the dad come back home? Do you think the 40-year-old son gonna be there still? Or you think he gonna get going? I'd love to hear your opinion, guys. Also, check out the video that's about to pop up in the screen. You know what I mean? I think you might have missed that. Don't forget, salute to Ultra Beauty and iHerb for the products that is linked in the bottom here, guys. Check them out. See y'all later, guys. Wrap up, strap up, drink responsibly. Do not play with your life.